Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in this video, we will learn how to install theme for WordPress website. So there are two ways to do that. First is from WordPress theme search and second is an external theme installation. So first we will see how we can install theme from WordPress theme search option. So once we are logged in our WordPress dashboard, we have few options on our left hand side like media, page, appearance, plugin. So we have to click on the appearance button. Once we click on appearance, we get the option theme. So you have to click on the theme button and we can see there are few already installed themes on our theme page. So to add a new theme, we have to click on the add new button on the top. Once we click on the add new button, we can see we have so many themes freely available for our website. Or if you're looking for any specific type of a theme, you can just type in the search box. Let's say I'm looking for a business website. So I'll just type business over there and I get so many options to select. So to install these themes, I'll just click on install button. Or if you are looking for any specific theme, you can search that theme in the same search box. Let's say I'm looking for an Astro theme. I can just type Astro over there and I get the theme. I have to again click on the install button of the Astro theme to install the theme. After theme installation, we'll go back to the theme section. Here in the theme section, I can see all the installed themes. Now we can activate any one of them. So to activate theme, we have to just click on activate button of the theme. Now on the theme, I can see customize button instead of activate button. So it means that my theme is activated. So this is how we install and activate theme from theme search option. Now we will see how we can install external theme on our website. To install an external theme, we have to click on add new button, then click on upload theme. Now we have to choose the file. Here is the file, Learn Harder. We'll upload this file. Now press install now button. Here we can see that our theme is successfully installed. Now we will go back to theme page. Here we can see that our theme is successfully installed. To activate this, we have to press activate button. Now we can see the customize button. It means that my theme is successfully activated and installed on my website. Today in this video, we have learned to install theme and apply theme on our WordPress website. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel to get latest update about our upcoming videos. Till then, goodbye.